up, y'all? It's me, DeRay, back with another video today. And today we're doing a frontal wig install on my cousin Nana. Y'all seen her in my videos before. Before I get started, I just want to say, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to me. And if you like this video at the end, give it a thumbs up. And maybe leave me a comment below. Tell me what you thought about it. Ask me any questions. Or just say hi. I don't know. But yeah, so anyway, today we're doing a frontal wig install, and this wig was sent to me by a company called Vivi Baby Hair. This is a 16-inch loose deep wave wig, and I'm gonna post all the information in the description box. I do not remember the specs. I'm pretty sure it was a 13 by 6. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I'm gonna put that below in the description box. And I had already put some makeup on the lace, and this wig came with an elastic band. And I will say, like, sometimes when companies be sending wigs they already got the elastic band, sometimes that shit do not be right in the right spot. But I can say on this wig the band was in the right spot, and like it made the wig easier to install because it had the lace like snug to the head. And I'm pretty sure it made the wig like feel more secure to her too, because it had the band. And yeah, so that's definitely something that's good, because like a lot of the time when I be installing my clients wigs and they come with the band on it, I be having to cut that shit off because it don't be making the wig lay right. But this one was perfect. So I just cut off like the ear tabs, and then I cut my lace into sections. If you've watched some of my videos before, then you know that I like to do that. And um, yeah, and then I'm just gonna clip that out of the way with some little clips so we can start applying the glue. I usually put makeup on the cap, but for some reason this video I didn't do that. I don't know why. But yeah, clip that shit out the way. And then today we're using the bold hold adhesive. It's the pink one. I think it's like boho active, I'm not sure, y'all. I don't fucking know what it's called. I just know it's boho in the pink bottle. That's the one that I use. And I dot that all over her hairline. Oh my god, why did I just say that like that? And then and then I'm just smoothing it out with like a little one stick. I was using these when I waxed eyebrows, but I started using them. Stay like perfect to smooth the glue out. And I'm making sure I smooth it out like evenly, and like so it's thin so it could dry like smooth. You don't want it to be cakey, because then like that extra glue just hard to clean off, and it make your shit look old fast. Like, yeah, so smooth it out nicely so that shit don't be looking bogus. Y'all, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I think I just dropped my phone. It's 4:30 in the morning. I should be asleep. I got Zoom class in the morning, but whatever. And I gotta go to the shop. I got a makeup client. I need to go early so I can wash my brushes. But yeah, I like to put 4 layers of glue, guys. So that's why I like to make sure that I sprayed it out like really, 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 really good. And then before you put a new layer, you want to make sure that the previous layer turns clear. And then like when you spread it out too, you want to make sure that you put it like right is exactly where you put the first layer. Because like if you put the stick and it's not no glue and you put on the layer that you already put, like it's gonna make it turn white. It's gonna be ugly, so be careful. And then my dumbass wasn't watching the camera, so it cut off right here. And yeah, you just see me getting ready to cut the lace right here because my camera cut off. I wasn't paying attention. I'm about to buy a new camera. Like, I need one that just record till I'm done. Like, cause I don't like having to keep checking. And I be forgetting sometimes, cause I be high. Like, I be forgetting a lot at a time. But I'm using an eyebrow razor to cut the lace. Y'all already know, so that it don't have like a harsh line. And right now the lace looking a little chalky, but I'm gonna spray it with lace tints, and then tie it down, and that shit gonna be melted. Just watch. So yeah, I be using the eyebrow razor to cut it, and then I flip it over and use the other side to like press the lace into the glue, so that it's like melted for real, for real. I'm so sleepy. Like, Kylie was. She didn't go to sleep till 11 o'clock. If y'all could hear her snore, she's knocked out. But she didn't go to sleep till 11 o'clock. And then she was just woke. She woke up because I had got out the bed to go smoke because I couldn't sleep. My sister was with her. And she just went back to sleep. So hopefully she sleep till 9. I'm gonna be at the shop till 11. I'm gonna try to go at 10. So I could wake up at like 9. I gotta be logged into my Zoom class at 9. I'm tired. But yeah. So she wanted a middle part. So I'm plucking out the middle parts. I like to pluck the part on the person's head because I tend to make that shit crooked when I pluck it beforehand. So this is just big yawn. This just was big stretch. Oh my god. This is just what works for me, y'all. I like to just pluck it on the head to make sure that I'm not making that shit crooked. That's just what works for me. And then now I'm just parting out her baby hair. I'm doing a full hairline of baby hairs, y'all. Did I say plucking out? I meant to say parting out. I'm tired. And I'm high. Like, don't mind me. Parted it out. And then now I'm finna go in with that lace tint. It's from Wig Gurus. Y'all probably see this in like an ad on Instagram. Because they stuff always be popping up on my stuff. And I'm pretty sure I use the color Caramel Frappe. Because, y'all, it came with 4 in the thing. But only 2 of mine work. And the other 2, the nozzles broke. Like, it leaks when I try to squirt it. And they were supposed to send me a new nozzle. Never sent that shit. They never sent it. Like, whatever. My friend got that for me as a birthday present. Love her to death. This lace tint is good. I like this one and I like the other one that I got. I like both of them, but this one is really, really good. But I'm upset that my 2 nozzles don't work. I was just saying I'm gonna go to like the dollar store and just pour it in a different bottle. But I spray hairspray on top of the lace tint too to just like lock it in. I don't know. And then I tied it down with an elastic band. And then now I'm hot combing it. And I use my Care wax stick first before I hot comb it. And you can get that from your local beauty supply. It's like $25. And then now I'm taking off that elastic band. And y'all can see like it's really, really, really melted. Looks like her hair. Looks like it's coming out her scalp. I'm taking that wax stick again and I'm finna hot comb her edges. And yeah, this came out really, really good. Like, this wig had a really, really good lace. I'm not sure of what type of lace exactly that it has, because like I said, they sent me this wig all the way back in September. And I was supposed to be edited this video and posted it. It's fucking December. That was 3 months ago. I'm horrible. But it had a really, really good lace. I'm pretty sure it was like transparent. I think it was transparent for sure. It was either transparent or like light brown. But I don't know like what type. I don't know if it was a Swiss lace. I don't know if it was a HD lace. I'm not sure, but it laid really good. And then I'm just cutting the baby hairs. I'm so sleepy, y'all. Like, that looks really, really good. Not to toot my own horn, but it's just the wig is good quality. And then it's like, it's an affordable wig, so that makes it even better. Like, it's just the fact that I don't like short hair. That's why I end up selling it to my cousin. Cause like, I don't like short hair. I tried it on and it wasn't it for me. Wasn't it? And then I'm using the Got To Be Glue in a black tube to do the baby hairs. And y'all, I'm not perfect at baby hairs. I'm still learning. These actually came out kind of decent. And I actually don't like using this gel for the baby hairs no more. Because I'm really kind of over that plastered to the head baby hair look. So lately I've been using like Eco Styler and wrapping lotion mixed together, mousse, whatever you want to call it. Like, I'll put a little Eco Styler and I'll put the mousse on top and use the little edge brush, and that should be coming out much better than with the Got To Be Glue gel. I'm probably gonna make a video on that, like either on myself or on a client. Either or, but that's my new technique. Like, don't get me wrong, this one is decent, but I'm trying to perfect my baby hair because I feel like I can melt the lace, I can pluck, like, I just need to get my baby hairs perfect and then I'll be where I want to be. And then I'm just tying this down with 2 wrap strips on top. And then sis is gonna go under the dryer so her lace get dry and like fully melt. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig. My cousin said she liked the hair and like it was pretty. I'm about to wet it down right here and I put some mousse in it. I don't think I got that part recorded. The camera probably cut out again, but I couldn't find my real squirt bottle, so I ended up using this freaking, it was an empty of a product. I can't remember the name. It's Beyond the Zone though, but I just put water in it. And then I'm taking the wrap strips off, and this is the final look. And I hope y'all like this video. Y'all could check out the company. Like I said, all the information gonna be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And thank y'all for the support, and I'll see y'all in my next video.